In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up Git on Windows 11 for VS Code. By the end, you'll have Git tools available directly inside your editor so you can track changes, commit with confidence, and work smoothly with repositories without leaving VS Code. Start by opening Visual Studio Code on your Windows 11 machine. If you have both Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code installed, make sure you're launching Visual Studio Code, the lightweight code editor with the blue ribbon icon. If you use it often, consider pinning it to your taskbar so it's always one click away. Once VS Code is open, head to the Extensions view. You'll find it on the activity bar along the left edge of the window. The icon looks like four squares, one slightly separated. Clicking that opens the Extensions panel where you can search and manage everything you add to VS Code. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can open this view quickly with Ctrl+Shift. Give the panel a second to load the marketplace listings. In the search box at the top of the Extensions panel, type the word Git. This filters the results to anything related to Git integration. You'll see popular options appear. What you're looking for is the Git integration that brings source control features to your editor, such as viewing changes, staging files, and making commits. As you browse, you can click an item to read its description, see screenshots, and check ratings. Taking a moment here helps you understand exactly what the extension adds and ensures you're getting the features you want for your workflow. When you've identified the Git extension you want, click Install. VS Code will download and apply the extension, and you'll see a brief progress indicator. Depending on the extension, the editor may prompt you to reload to activate it. If that happens, allow the reload so everything initializes correctly. After installation, you'll notice Git-aware features become available. The source control icon in the activity bar will highlight changes, your status bar may show branch information, and file tabs will indicate modifications since the last commit. These visual cues help you keep track of your work at a glance. A quick note, if VS Code can't detect a Git installation on your system, it may display a message about installing Git for Windows. That's normal, and it simply means the editor needs the Git tool available on your machine for full functionality. With the extension in place, you'll be ready to use those capabilities as soon as Git is available. That's it. You opened VS Code, went to Extensions, searched for Git, and installed the integration. You're now set up to manage source control right inside your editor on Windows 11.